Why I'd forgive my husband if he cheated, the truth no one wants to admit. When a woman says, if my husband cheats on me, I'll forgive him and make my marriage work, she's often not speaking from weakness. She's speaking from wisdom, maturity, and perspective. Because the truth is, walking away isn't always the strongest option. Sometimes staying and rebuilding is. A broken home doesn't just affect two people. It ripples through the lives of children, extended family, and even the fabric of society. Children who grow up in broken homes often carry invisible scars, emotional instability, trust issues, or confusion about love and loyalty. When you've built a life together, forgiveness becomes less about the man and more about preserving the foundation your family stands on. It's about protecting your children's sense of security, identity, and belonging. But let's be honest, starting over is not easy. It sounds empowering in theory, but in practice, it's emotionally, financially, and mentally draining. Rebuilding from scratch after years of shared responsibilities, memories, and sacrifices is a heavy burden. There's the loneliness of empty evenings, the awkwardness of dating again, and the exhaustion of re-establishing stability. For many women, especially those with children, forgiveness becomes a more practical choice, not because they accept betrayal, but because they choose peace over chaos, continuity over disruption. They understand that one mistake, if met with repentance and change, doesn't have to destroy everything they've built. That said, forgiveness should never mean settling for disrespect. It should come with boundaries, counseling, accountability, and a shared commitment to healing. A man who truly regrets his actions will not only say, "I'm sorry," he'll show it daily, through consistency, honesty, and emotional transparency. A mature woman can forgive without losing her self-respect, but she must ensure that the forgiveness leads to growth, not repetition. Ultimately, every woman has to decide what peace looks like for her. For some, peace means leaving. For others, it means restoring. But if you choose to stay, do it from a place of strength, not fear. Because a healed home, even one that has weathered betrayal, can still raise emotionally whole children, preserve family dignity, and model resilience, something our society desperately needs to see more of. If this spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.